I'm horrible at flying drones, but I'm going to give you guys a tour of our home. We've got a battle axe block, that's our front yard. Hello, that's me. Now let me take you to, I guess, the side yard. I don't know what to call it really. It's not really the backyard because it's not behind the house. This is what it looks like now. This is what it used to look like. We've done a lot of work to the house. Just finished with the lawn. As you can see, it's looking luscious. We're working on the landscaping at the moment. Popped 16 ornamental pears at the back to block all those neighbours off. There's the skate park. She's looking clean. Spent about 10 hours cleaning that concrete this week after we got flooded. We got to sand back and paint that half pipe and give a fresh coat of paint on that mural. You can see heaps of the greens real faded. Here comes the magpies. They were pretty pissed off with the drone. Heaps more landscaping to do, but we keep getting flooded, so we want to fix that problem first. We have plans to add a flying fox as it's a bit of a hill there. We're on a bit of a slope. You can see how high the houses behind us are. Then we want to do the rest of the edging for the landscaping and fill in the rest with crushed rock or concrete. We've done so much since we moved in 6 years ago. The skate park wasn't there, concrete wasn't there, that nice grass wasn't there, the dark blue shed wasn't there, those heap cars weren't there either. But that's just the start because we have so much more we want to do to the place. We're going to give you a tour of the rest of the land now, so let us pan around and show you what we've got. I really want to lay more kikuyu turf around the rest of the property because that looks so fresh. Then in this area we want to add a pool eventually, maybe we'll win the lotto one day. Got to finish off this pergola there, do all the concreting and make it an entertaining area. Now this is probably my favourite part of the yard. This is definitely the kids' favourite part of the yard. This is where we hang out the most. So the Macca's playground, the cubby house, it's just a whole vibe. We've got the Simpsons characters out there and everything. Kids absolutely love it. We've had a bunch of parties out here, easy to maintain because of the fake grass, and we've done everything ourselves. Kieran and his dad found and assembled the Macca's playground. Looks real good in the summer. It's a little bit messy at the moment. It's so hard to keep up with the weeds in this joint. And that's the front yard. We'll pan back for you so you can see the whole property. And there you go. So much work's been done, so much more work to do, so give us a follow if it's something you want to see. Thanks for watching, guys.